YouTube, Rob Fraser here. Basically, the name of this video is where to get your car smogged in Oceanside, California. So went to Google, typed in where to get your car smogged in Oceanside, California, and I came across Lightning Smog. Again, this is a place where I would recommend if you're looking for where to get your car smogged in Oceanside, California, and there's a reason I say that 3 times in each video. Lightning Smog is the place to go. I called ahead, got an appointment, got in there at 2:23, dropped it off. The guy said it'll probably be about 30 minutes, so I was like, all right. I was just going to take a 15-minute walk in one direction, turn around, come back for the 30 minutes. At 2:37, I dropped the car off at 2:23. 2:37, the guy calls me back, and I'm all done. So needless to say, turned around, hustled my butt back there, and got my car. And it was in and out service. I called ahead, like I said. So if you're looking for where to get your car smogged, Oceanside, California, highly suggest Lightning Smog. It's on the 101 up in Oceanside. The information will be below the video. Check it out. Also, if you like this video, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the rest of the stuff I have down in the About section. My name is Rob Fraser. Where to get your car smogged, Oceanside, California, Lightning Smog. We'll see you in the next video.